ever, Pony. Today I'm trying our CapCut sound effects.
Also, I'm definitely not going to put hashtags for each number. There might be a part to where I finish.
Anyways, let's get started, D. I definitely might use this 10 tenths. I might use this if I'm exposing a YouTuber 6 tenths. I might use this if I'm making sound effects for my animations if I ever make any that is a tenths. Same thing for number 1 10 tenths. I might use this if someone says something awkward e tenths. I would also use this for exposing YouTubers 37 tenths. 0 tenths disgusting. Might use to censor a curse word 7 tenths. I might use this if I wanted to an animated character sitting by a fire 9 tenths. I might use this if I'm making animations again 5 tenths. Anyway, those are all the sound effects for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.